Hello, welcome back. I wanted to bring you along today. I've been getting this annoying rattling in the H3, the 08 Hummer H3 GFB, and I'm trying to light it up for you guys so you can see it. They're right here. Right where I'm pointing, there's a shield. I'm going to try to get you a better angle. It's really hard to see right here. There's the shield, and I've been getting a horrific vibration. I had this happen on my 07 Hummer H3 also. If you just touch this with a screwdriver, it usually will silence. Okay? So the shield itself is all rotted out, and I'll show you what I mean in a second here. Right back here, trying to get a good shot for you folks. Right back here. Rusty bolt in the image, right there, down below, it's rotted through, right where you see that rusty nut and all the rust around it, that's where it's rotted through, and then you'll notice down below, I don't know if I can get you guys in here, and then there's another one down below, you should be able to see it on the motor mount. It also is loose. And I think that that's my culprit. Because when I touch it, it quiets down. And it gets really loud at times. It just vibrates like crazy.